my wonderful family. Welcome back. It's still a girl. Let's go, guys. We're done with the cooking. Today we prepare pulao. This pulao and chicken. Okay, chicken pulao. You can see that. Wow. You're most welcome. Yes, that's your girl. I can cook. Anyway, let's go and feed my cats. I have cats here. This is a no. Yes, so let's go and feed them. Okay. I don't know where they are right now. Yes. Oh, it's too hot here. I'm supposed to go out, but guess what? It's too hot. I'm not going out there. Just let me just pour it here so that they can hear. Come. Yeah. Wow. Do you know that she just gave birth? Yeah. You can see there we have a little baby. She's going there. See that? I don't know whether she too well. I'm scared. You see, I'm scared. She may bite me, I don't know. You see there, we have a little baby. Yeah. Wow, that's good. This is their food. Yeah. So let me go and feed my bat small. Yes. Let's go and feed my bat small. Oh, look at that. I'm not going to bite you guys, okay? I just want to give you food. Press enter. No, don't run, guys. I'm not gonna bite you. I'm just trying to feed you guys, okay? Don't be scared of me. Let's close that door. It's dark inside. I'm not biting you guys. I'm just trying to feed you. Wow, look at that. Guys, I can love that bag. Don't run. Okay, let me catch one. Come. Guys, look at that. I want to get one. The way they're running. Guys, you know that I'm the one feeding you guys. Anyway, let's go out. Yeah. That's it. Yes. Let's go. It's too hot here, guys. Yeah. It's hot. See there. My cat is. I don't know where the other one. Don't run. I don't know where the other ones. So it's hot. I don't want to go out there because it's too hot. It's too hot, guys. And this is my shower. Yes, this is my shower. I have one like tomato, lemon, and I don't know this leaf. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like smoky. It looks like smoky, but not smoky. Okay, yeah, I don't know it's in English. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's it for today. We're done with cooking. We're done with feeding my birds and my cat. Yes, so it's time to see that I can cook. Wow, I love this. Yes. Let me eat this. I have here one. Let me eat it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. If you love this video, kindly do one thing, support your girl by subscribing. Okay, it means a lot to me. Okay, yes. So what are you waiting for, guys? For those of you who start supporting me, thank you so much. I love you. It's time to say bye. See you again in my next video. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, yeah. See you. Bye. Love you. Hey. Guys, it's hot here. I don't know there. Yeah. It's dry season, I think, right?